Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to create a squad in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. To create a squad in Modern Combat 5, launch open the game on your device first, and then from the home page, go ahead and tap on the chat icon at the bottom left, which looks like a speech bubble icon, and then click on squad from the pop-up. Click on squad once again, and on the next page, click on the yellow create button in order to start creating a squad. Now, enter a unique squad name that represents your team in the name tab. You can also write down a description for your squad. From the type drop down, select if your squad is invite only or request only or a free squad. Select the rating preference, choose a badge for your squad. You can also customize color for your chosen badge. And finally, tap on the save button at the bottom right. Right after you do that, you have successfully created a squad. Now if it is invite only, then you can use the invite option to send request or share your squad tag so others can request to join in. After enough member joins in, you can coordinate with your members and start battling other squads to climb the global leaderboard. So that's how you can easily create a squad in Modern Combat 5 Blackout. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.